Sangguniang Bayan, headed by our Municipal Vice Mayor Angelo Junior Capistrano, sa ating mga halandong jurado at mga bisita, pinalanggang mga kapitanis sa 18 na barangay, kauban sa ilang council, na kanunay na suporta sa mga kalihungan sa kasuulong sa ating kapistahan ni Senior San Jose, ang patron sa mga upo, sa atong mga makasinabuhong kilinganan, sa ilang mga pamilya, sa atong mga anyag na mga kandidata, sa tanan na aniyang marong kabihuna. Welcome to this truly remarkable celebration. Tonight is about more than just an entertainment. It is a platform for our performers to shine and share their passion. We have a fantastic lineup of candidates from singing and dancing, unit up to discipline, design,
Welcome, Sir Salay.
and creativity of amplification. To our candidates, thank you for your hard work, dedication, and courage to take the stage tonight. Welcome and welcome, Mayong Gabi, Buswa Pasalay.
Thank you very much for being happy to see how this was for the very inspiring message.
And of course, this competition will not be complete without the distinguished individuals who have the capability of choosing tonight's winners.
Let's now meet the panel of judges who will guide us in selecting the best MLR candidate.
Let's begin with our judge number 1. Crowned as Miss USCP Ambassadress for Prudence 2025, Miss Liana Salai 2020 Representative, Miss College of Engineering and Architecture 2018 Second Runner-Up, graduated cum laude with a degree of Bachelor of Science in Electrical Engineering at USCP Cagayan de Oro, a registered electrical engineer and registered master electrician, holds a master's degree in electrical engineering at the USCP CDO, a dedicated instructor at the University of Science and Technology of Southern Philippines, and designated as the Campus International Affairs Coordinator, an advocate for clean and renewable energy. Ladies and gentlemen, Ms. Bethel Amor Ulises Palao.
For our second judge, he is a TV broadcaster at Sinlap Publication and Atmosphere IIT, Drive People Education TV artist, brand endorser, currently studying at Mindanao State University, Mr. Clement Sacken 2024, Mr. ICNHS King of the High
Ayan, Coach Salay, Ayan, Coach Salay.
Happy Festival in Tourism 2024, and he is the newly crowned Mr. Philippines Olympian 2025. Let us all welcome Mr. Axel Tristan T. Yunano.
A licensed environmental planner and licensed agriculturist, serves as medicinal planning and development coordinator for the local government in Salay with San Luis Oriental from 2021 to present. Former Housing and Home Site Regulation Officer 2, contributing to housing and urban development planning in Cagayan de Oro City 2018 to 2021. project assistant at DOST Region 10, contributing to science, technology, and innovation programs 2018, and currently pursuing a Doctor of Public Administration at Xavier University to advance expertise in governance and leadership. Ladies and gentlemen, our third judge, Mr. Roy Czar Inomaka. And now, ladies and gentlemen, get ready once again as our candidates takes the stage for a vibrant and exotic production number. This is Miss Casina 2026, the preliminary competition.
Maayong gabi sa lahat! This is Regina Macario Gonzaga, 23, representing Barangay Casador! Maayong gabi sa lahat! This is Luisa May Manila 23, masigal po ang nagrepresentar sa Barangay Bulan, Barangay Tigagal! Maayong gabi sa lahat! This is Sarah Angel Ligan 20, Gabu, Tumog, Barangay Gold! Maayong gabi mga taong kasalan. This is Shane Barra Kumrang Kalungan, 22, Barangay Pugasyan! Maayong gabi sa lahat! My name is Lenin Pusla Oklari, 24, representing Barangay Nibulit and Barangay San! Miranda Swanson. Salai, everyone! This is Antinyan Maywa to Waniwan Barangay Lubuna! Maayong gabi sa lahat! This is Angay Sitoy-Dana Baguran, 18, Barangay Lipuatan, at Barangay Lilihan!
Please welcome Miss Casilla 2024, Josie Caminati and EJ Marquez.
Wow! What an electrifying performance to open the show, right, EJ?
Yes, this is very heart-melting, kumbaga, na-amaze mo. I mean, I am really speechless. This is my first time. Yeah, this is my first time hosting Miss Casilla, and I am so much amazed. Let's give a big hand to the team of Miss Casilla 2026! Ayun kami sa live. Once again, my name is EJ Marquez.
This is Josie Caminada.
Your host for this year's Miss Casilla Sexual Talent Competition. Once again, good evening, Salai! Hey, naman, Miss Josie. We want to hear the energy. Okay? Lahat sila maraming mga energy for tonight. So, pag hindi naman ayaw na bilisan ay, you shout with all your might. Once again, in 3, 2, 1, Maayong gabi sa
Yes, and that's the spirit that we are looking for. Truly, they brought an energy and grace to the stage, also our candidates, right? I'm still amazed, honestly, the talent and the confidence and the presence that they show are just literally EJ incredible.
Yes, and of course, before I continue, it's such an honor hosting the Miss Casilla 2024.
It is my honor also, Sir EJ, to be partnered with a well-established host, right?
Thank you so much. And with that was a spectacular performance and production number from our 10 lovely candidates, Miss Josie.
Alright, so it is our pleasure to be your host for this year's Miss Casilla Sexual and Talent Competition. Tonight, this beautiful and lovely candidates will showcase their efforts and talents as they fight for the most coveted Miss Casilla 2026 round.
Yes, and now all the ladies are preparing for the next portion of this competition. Let's take a moment to acknowledge their supporters sa production number pa lang. Umaapaw ang hiyawan at suporta ng mga tao for their representatives. So, ako tawag Miss Josie, every barangay, so ikaw na ang nakapalo, handle mo sa iyo ang pronounce sa mga barangay.
Alright, so
Ako mo niya ko.
and we don't want that to happen.
Yes.
So let me hear the scream of Barangay Publishing! Yes.
Dapat sila yung mga materials. Yes. True. Next, for our line, Miss Josie.
Okay, now we have here the Barangay Sara. Wow, grabe kayo ang energy. It's giving. Okay, now how about the Barangay Napoli? Oy, naman dyan, Barangay Napoli. Okay, and we have here Barangay Luzon. Now about Barangay Caslon. Where's Barangay Caslon?
Birthday Castle. Where are you? That was 2 years ago. So, and now you're hosting. And
It was just 2 days ago. Now we are searching for good mean to continue the legacy of beauty with a purpose and
that's true. And you are part of the history of the 60s.
such an honor.
Yes. All right.
Now, how about the Barangay Alimuaton and Barangay Ililio? Let me hear your scream! I can do Barangay Alimuaton here. Wait.
Oh, nasa barangay kapitan naman. Pero I know that the support is overwhelming. Siguro, siguro sa prepare ka sila sa coronation night. Because the coronation night, nag-aanan mo to someone grand will be visiting Salay on the 27th.
That's something that we must look forward to, right?
Yes, dapat energy mo sa coronation night.
Not about granted dapat ang energy.
Very true.
Okay, so the candidates, families, friends, or EJ, and the people meeting in their represented barangay came all the way here just to show their love and support for their representative. And I know that, ladies and gentlemen, let's give that energy all throughout this competition, shall we?
Yeah, so siguro ma-energize sila pag makita na itong mga candidates sa taksa-taksa pag manila sa isang magsusunod.
The pastor,
Yes.
I love that.
True, speaking of the crowd's energy, now adds confidence our beautiful candidates for this competition. The winners in every competition are guided by a set of criteria. So dapat kami na ulit yun eh. Before we proceed any further, let's take a look at how our candidates will be evaluated tonight.
But before that, EJ, and those who weren't able to come here and join us celebrate this momentum, we are live on Miss Castilla Facebook page. Okay, so now here are the official criteria for judging for the Miss Castilla 2026 6-second time competition.
Alright, for the swimsuit competition. The swimsuit competition, ladies and gentlemen, body figure 40%, poise and projection 30%, facial appearance 15%, skin texture 15%, for a total of 100%.
And for the talent competition, mastery 40%, uniqueness 40%, stage presence 10%, and audience impact 10%.
Alright, so I know that please give me
Kaya mag-share sa live,
Miss
kaya
Josie.
mag-share sa
Alright, so at this point of time, let us be entertained with the elevation number of a unanimous 2.0.
My name is Joe. I made a song. Here's how it goes. You got to go. The double jump place is real. You're counting Smash Bros. And Mario Kingdom. Alright, thank you so much. And the excitement continues as we officially move to the next segment that everyone has been waiting for.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, we move on to one of the most exciting parts of the night, the Simpson competition.
Watch as our candidates takes the stage with confidence, grace, and poise as they showcase not only beauty but also strength and presence. This is the Simpson competition. She hits the scale 32, 25, 34. Sarah Angel Brown. She fits the scale. 31, 27, 36. She's with the ball. Sarah Angel Brown. She fits the scale. 34, 28, 38. Representing Sarah and Woody, Lenny G. O'Clay.
Thank you.
38. Nasty baby dog. To the big walk. Virtual DJ. She gets the scale 32, 25, 34. Representing Oakland, Antoinette May Walk. Let's welcome once again our 10 lovely candidates for Miss Casilla 2026 and there's the suit. announcing the top 3 for the best in gown. So top 3 na sorry, best in swimsuit. Sorry. Excited this 2027 Miss Josie. Yes, and ang top 3, sumunod na sila ang kumbaga pinakataas na scores for tonight. And then the winner, yes, and then the winner will be announced during the coronation night. So along with the best in gown. Yes, ikaw na ginagawa sa the best in gown. Yes, and of course, before we continue, could you share to us your experience, Ms. Lucy? I mean, you have been a candidate yourself 2 years ago. How has it been?
Well, actually, it feels nostalgic because looking back, it was a whirlwind journey, you know? There are a lot of struggles and challenges that I've faced, but because of my family and friends, and those people that believe in me, I was able to pursue that dream to be here on stage 2024 for the Miss Kasilay, and look where we are right now.
Yes, and you're standing in front, you're hosting, and you have represented the municipality of Salay with so much power. Let's give a big round of applause with our Miss Kasilay 2024, Miss Josie. Okay. Good. So this is an amazing display of confidence. Dinisayaw mo pa with the swimsuit. Do you agree?
Yes, actually, because sakit siya sa baba.
Yes, and ang heels.
And also the heels, you know, it's not easy to wear high-end heels.
Yes, and our candidates truly own the stage with confidence, grace, and elegance. Thank you so much, honorary candidates.
I completely agree with you, Sir AJ. Each one of them showed not only beauty, but also strength and purpose in navigating for health and wellness.
Yeah, so the energy is still on fire. On fire pa ba itong mga people of the municipality of Salay? Are we still on fire? Ay, let's try. Fire na din ang fire kaya hindi tayo ang summer.
Pero yun siya ma-fire.
Yes, but of course, this is not just a pageant, as we all say, because this is a pageant with a purpose. Because we are checking, or we are finding a woman of purpose who can be an ambassadress for the municipality of Salay.
Yes, and also we are searching for a Salayana that embodies the true essence of being a Salayana, right? So she must be brave, she must be versatile, she must be resilient in all of the positive traits. No one is perfect, but we are advocating for women empowerment.
That's why you're this Kasilay 2024. Okay, so the candidates continue to champion a lifestyle centered on health, fitness, and overall well-being. Truly embodying wellness and focusing on stage. You can really feel how the crowd appreciated every moment of the competition wearing the swimsuit.
And now, since hindi na na-feel like a battle of our malone again ng energy, let's hear the crowd's cheers and love for their favorite candidate. Okay ba, Salayanos?
Kasi we want to hear your scream sa inyong isuportahan ng kandidata.
Mention your barangay.
Yes, so ito pa sa ipasigit para mahugyaw ang gymnasium sa Salay. And of course, to all those who are watching online, please, let's just be careful with our comments. I mean, these ladies backstage are really working hard. So people will not be tolerating bullying online. So let's just be kinder in our comments and to all of us. Because again, women empowerment, we are women empowerment. As we empower women, we respect everyone.
Indeed. All right, so let us hear your support, barangay. Love! Perfect attendance to the barangay.
for the preliminary competition tonight. Miss Alamanga, of course, Alay Kasilay Eagles Club, RLC Training Center, RLC IELTS Review Center, Vermont Pool Club and Resort, Buyong Travel and Tours, ProLife UK, Knights and Wolfens, TBC E-Loading, Eagles and Nest Resort.
GS1, Morgan's Print, Jana J. Printing, Ruiz Fashion, Pilwa Pitch and Trades, Al Designs by Antiqua Oy, Isoverti Residence Condo, Matampa Pines. Thank you so much. We will also extend our huge gratitude to our main awards, Barangay Casulo, Barangay Ilagaan and Una, Barangay Lumo, Barangay Fundacion, Barangay Saray and Bibuli, Barangay Dilansaan and Nakpitikan, Barangay Matampa and Hinalaban, Barangay Salay River 1 and Salay River 2, Barangay Inubulan and Barangay Alicocon and Bibili. Once again, thank you so much.
Thank you so much, and for your generous support. Once again, salamat to our dear sponsors. And now, as we move forward, we arrive at the next exciting segment of the evening. Are you excited, Ms. Josie?
Super excited.
Yes, this is the talent competition. At this moment, the stage is yours, ladies.
Shine bright and on the stage, lady.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's begin the Miss Casino 2026 Talent Competition. From Barangay Casulo, Reggie Venice Gonzaga.
Menghitam sa pulang silang, mengaku sa elemento sa tubig berbiutang. Ang kasing-kasing pagdulog sa mga satayanan, amo ang kalayo na nagasimbolo sa pag-ibig ng pasa sa ating sarili. sa langit.
Candidate number 2.
A young woman noticed that her precious necklace was this land became known as Solar. The spirit of the Hika-Oden people lives on through rhythm, movement, and dance.
ko share sa live ha. Palir ko share sa live. Salida na yan. Baka dito ba niya? Suka? Oo, sa oo. Ha? Sila di ay. Ha? Subok pa, subok. Sini, dali, sini. Sini.
Once again, our candidate number 10.
Wala, dapat diliman na nag-red traffic. Traffic mo na to. Iya mang Anong may lang paulan.
Yes, there we have it, our 10 candidates in there. Amazing talent. Amazing Miss Josie.
Super amazed. No, dili yun basta-basta ang taga sa live.
Yes, and I want you to know because tonight every single candidate showed outstanding stage presence from their graceful walks to their strong personality.
Hinay ang signal lang to, hinay.
One of them performed. They stayed on the stage.
Yes. Wala lang sila nag-perform, but they also admitted kung saan nila ang gusto ipakita sa kanan. So, na ay nagkanta, na ay nag-content ko, na ay nag-dance, and tanan pa. Versatile and
Yes, and nag-relapse, actually nag-relapse meaning Miss Josie sa likod na to. Sino? Diba?
Pero sa backstage, where dagat kayo ko kaganahan. So, you know what, Sir EJ, if that were to be the talent
for sharing your time and professional vision as an official judge for the Miss Casita 2026 swimsuit segment. We honor your dedication to upholding the highest standards of health, confidence, and charisma on our stage. Given this Labor Day of April 2026 and Salai Estamos Vietnam signed Municipal Mayor Honorable J. Vincent Capistrano. This plaque of appreciation is presented to Ms. Bethel Amor Bulicer Alao.
Thank you so much, Mom Bethel. The same citation is presented to Roy, Jar, and Renal. Thank you so much, sir. The same back of recognition is presented to Axel Christine T. Yarano. May we request the three judges to please be on the center of the stage. Thank you so much.
Let's all give them a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. All right. And because of that, the moment we have all been waiting for is finally here. Don't let us have a go. The results for the top 3 best in swimsuit are ready to be announced.
But before that, Sir DJ, I always wanted to ask this to you. How's your experience by far in Salai?
Wow. Salai is not new to me, actually, Ms. Lucy. I've been here way back college, and as I've said a while ago, nabigid na pamilyar na sa isang simbahan na weekend.
Sabi ko na sa tulad na
Oh, and sa lahat itong napay, if you could remember the Lucy bus. Oh my God. Again, that was a long time ago. And it's such a refreshing experience to be here once again. So,
Actually, it is our honor, Sir DJ, na kananaagid ka din, no? To orchestrate the swimsuit and talent competition.
yes, and of course, salamat na po, of course, Ms. Lucy, and to the entire team, and Direct RJ.
Yes, and speaking to our very own director of Miss Casila, we would like to personally send our huge thank you for your dedication, the unwavering dedication to push through the Miss Casila 2026. You know what, Sir EJ? The Miss Casila experience is 6 years of years. And after that, niabot ang Miss Casila 2024 and nagsunod-sunod na yun siya. No? So, the Miss Casilay or the Casilay Festival in general is alive and it is growing. No? Naglanding na siya sa entire province of Misamis Oriental. Thank you so much, Sir RJ.
And sa mga sa logo pa lang, wala din char. It's really owned by Casilla. The logo, the color itself, and then, diba, proud sa lahat.
It's proud Salay, but the most worth giving the famous giving Salay. Alright? Every candidate gave their best on stage. We all know that, ladies and gents. Confidence, grace, and elegance were all clearly seen, right? But doesn't every competition only a few can make it to the top?
Yes, this is always tough, Miss Josie, because all of them deserve recognition for their hard work and performance. But still, the decision has been made. This is a competition. There could only be one winner. But tonight, we'll be announcing the top 3. So without further ado, let us now reveal the top 3 best in swimsuit for Miss Casilla 2026.
Alright, Salayana! Who's your dad?
Yes, and we hope during the coronation night, more shocking because yes, more grand and universal. Yes. you would like to